Good afternoon everyone, and in today's video we're going to install MikoPBX using DigitalOcean cloud services. Before we will start our process, I should say that this type of installation is available on MikoPBX version 2024.2.111 and newer. That means you can use this type of installation from the first release in 2025 year. Alright, before we start our work inside DigitalOcean platform, we should copy the link to the disk image file. For that, you should go to the MikoPBX GitHub with releases, and here find the latest version with an extension .raf. We should copy the link, and then we can start our work inside DigitalOcean cloud platform. The first step is adding our image inside this platform. For that, you should go to the Manage section, then go to the Backups and Snapshots. Here click Custom Images and import via URL. Paste our link, then click Next. Here we can edit the name of our image, but I will leave it like that. Then we should choose Debian as distribution and also choose data center region. I will use Singapore and then click Upload Image. After that, we should wait for around 1 minute until our image will be uploaded and we will be ready to create our virtual machine. Alright, our image was successfully uploaded, and that means we are ready to create our virtual machine. For that, we should click Create, then click Droplets. Wait for a few seconds, and okay. Firstly, let's choose our region. For me, that would be Singapore. After that, we should go to the Choose an Image section. Here click Custom Images and choose Uploaded Earlier Image. Then we should choose configuration of our virtual machine. I will use the basic one and with 10 GB SSD disk for the system. Then we should go to the additional storage section and here add the second disk, which we will use to store our call records. Okay, I will use a disk with a size of 40 GB, but recommended amount is more than 50 for the real system. Alright. Then we should go to the choose authentication method and here choose an SSH key. Here you should click New SSH key and generate the key for authorization. I will do that in the PowerShell. I will generate the key with the type ID 25519. Let's generate that. And get content. Okay, alright, here we have our key. Let's copy that and paste it there and name it as MikoPBX key SSH. But yeah, you can type your name, it doesn't really matter. Then click Add SSH key and now click Create Droplet. Then we should wait for a few minutes until our droplet will be created and ready to use. Now let's connect to the MikoPBX console using two different ways. The first method is connecting using SSH connection. For that, we should use command SSH with an arguments I, where you specify the directory with your SSH key pair. Then you should type the default login username. For DigitalOcean it is do user, and after the symbol you should type the IP address of your virtual machine. You can find this IP address here, which is IPv4 one, and let's try to connect. Yeah, as we can see, our connection was successful. And another way is connect to the serial console. For that we should click console in the DigitalOcean interface and launch recovery console, and we will get the same result. Now let's do the first login to the MikoPBX web interface. For that we should copy our IP address and paste it here. Now we are on the authorization page, and firstly we should type an admin in the username field, which is default username for the first login. And after that, for the password field, we should copy the ID of our virtual machine, if we can find it here in this field, and paste it to the password. Then click authorize, and for the first authorization we should change the login password. Let's do that. And for now our system is fully ready to use, and later in the video we will connect two different soft phones to our MikoPBX station and also provide echo test. In today's video I will use two different soft phones. The first one is Zoiper and the second one is MicroSIP. Let's get started with Zoiper. Firstly, in the login field we should type the internal number of our employee. Let's connect an employee with internal number 201. For that, type the internal number, then this symbol, and after this symbol type the IP address of your station. And for the password field we should copy password for SIP from the MikoPBX interface. We can do that using this button. Let's paste it there. Then click login, next, skip, next, and our connection was successful. We can see that by this green indicator inside Zoiper interface and by green indicator inside MikoPBX interface too. Let's do the same actions with the MicroSIP soft phone. Firstly we should type the IP address of our MikoPBX station. Let's do that. 89.206.190, and then click next. After that we should type an extension number. Let's connect an employee with 202 internal number 202, and in the same way like with the first soft phone, copy password for SIP, and after that click sign in. And as we can see, our connection is successful too. We can understand that by these green indicators, and let's do some call from one soft phone to another. As we can see, everything works perfectly. And for the last step of our video, let's provide some echo test. Echo test is internal dial plan application which help us to check our phone lane. Here we can find its number, and let's deal this number from one of our soft phones. It is 1032 46 1 2 3 test. Yeah, as we can see, and here we can hear our voice. And that is mean everything works perfectly and our installation process was done correctly. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.